Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today here we have the new OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2. As we can see, we have here all the specification. OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2 in black color, and all the input and output specification. So as we can see, they are wrapped in pretty good box. Let's go ahead and peel out the first layer of plastic. And now we have the opportunity to see the box. Here we have the tips of the bullets and a graphite. As you can see, this box of OnePlus color is pretty good material, not like cheap leather or something. So here we are in the other side. Let's look at first the things that we got here. We have two user guide here. We have the user guide in the black, how to use it. And we have here safety information and warranty. Let's put them back and see what we got else. Here we have all the plastic that goes to your ear. As you can see, we have smaller and bigger. And finally, here we have the OnePlus Bullet Wireless 2. As you can see, this is really good material. I really like it. It's metal, it feels heavy, and it feels that it's a good material. It doesn't feel cheap, so that's a pretty good thing. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. As you know, the OnePlus Bullets comes in this box, and in this little box we have another cable. It seems like it's for charging. Now the Bullets 2 comes with Type-C charging, as you can see here with Type-C. You can clearly see that this material is a rubber, but it's a different rubber from other devices. It feels very good. They feel like they should. So as you can see, we have the magnetize here to hold the bullets in place. So this is the left side, and here we can see the left and the right. So they will sit like this in your neck, and these two are a little bit heavy, but in your neck you don't feel them at all. In the right side you have the power button. As you can see here, they are now on. Immediately when you press the magnet, this will shut down. Let's see that again. You just tear them apart and you can see it's blinking. When you go ahead and touch the magnets, you can see that they shut off, and that's a pretty good thing. So you don't have to worry if you leave them on or off. And here we have the plus, minus and pause. The buttons feels good, and they are flat, very flat, so you can see here in the side you can use to turn on and up and down your volume. Press the middle button, it will pause. Double press it, it will change the song. So you have the basic options. The OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2 are pretty good, and the sound is higher from the Bullet 1, so I like them very much. So guys, this was all for the new OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment down below. Support our channel by liking this video, subscribing, turn the notification on, and we will see you in the next video.